Hey man, so here's a short video. I just wanted to show you what the piston looks like and what the size is. Sorry, I'm putting it on hold for a bit. So here's the piston. The markings on the top is 82.465, 40247. This is the oil ring. These are the other two. That's the Teflon shield. Oh, here's the size. So it's at 21 mil. So if I put this on 3 here, you would see the 5 plus the 1 mil. So you can see now, here it is at 3, and then the 5 is plus 1 mil. I'm gonna remove it slowly, and then we're back here at 3, and then on the other side, so it's 21 mil. I have to be very careful with these not to scratch them. They were rolled very carefully. These are the circlips that are put on the ends of the pistons. This is the logo on the piston, or okay, so that's how the rings, or the circle, or the wrist pin was installed. There's the other 3. Again, there is a piston. Just taking a good look at it. And then, I know what you're thinking. So, let's put it at the reason why I'm doing this is you can pause the image at any moment, and you can measure the start and end point. So here's this, actually here's the start, and here is the end. It's exactly 21 millimeters. Keep in mind that I don't know where the center of the circle is, but to the best of my ability is 21 at maximum. If it's less, if it's more, then center again. But you get the idea. It's a very strange oil seal. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's the image is capturing it, but you can see the. I'm compressing it with my hand, but I don't want to put a lot of pressure. These are very sensitive. So the others, as of now, yeah, the seal is broken, but they have never been opened. So I don't want to mess them up, but I'll keep it just for comparison purposes. This is how the wrist pin comes. So I believe these are the equivalent to the AM part number, which is the correct one in this case. I'm just putting it for comparison's sake, so you'll see the comparison on the top what's written on each piston. This one's never been opened. The one that opened it. The seal was broken, but the piston has never been opened. Identical circlips here. Okay, well, I hope this answers the dilemma, and I hope that these are the correct pistons. Alright.